This is a quick tutorial of how to insert inclined or elevated beam in SeismoBuild and SeismoStruct's building modeler. First, we select the beam B2. And the section properties window will appear on the right part of the building modeler window. We click the geometry drop-down menu. And we highlight the incline checkbox. And then inserting the desired value in the field that appears. We will now preview the 3D model of the story, by clicking on the View Story 3D Model button. After we click the button, the 3D view of the model appears in a new emerging window. And we check for the correct assignment of the beam. Note that, the neighboring beam's elevation and column heights are automatically adjusted, whereas the columns are subdivided in shorter elements by the program, if this is required, for example, in the cases where two or more beams are supported by the same column at different levels, thus creating short columns. Finally, we have the option to create elevated or lowered beam with constant height throughout the length of the beam. We should enter equal values for DH1 and DH2, either positive values for elevated beam or negative for lowered beam. If we now go and select the View Story 3D Model button, we will see that the elevated beam have been successfully introduced in the model.